Hello, David Singletary at DGS Digital. Today we're going to take a look at Katana and its new native integration to HubSpot. Um, so the keyword is native integration. It's not like some other applications that have that leverage tools like Zapier or Make.com to integrate the two. It's a true native integration to Katana, which is really good, and it's something a lot of people are looking for. Let's take a quick look at where you set that up. If you come up here to the integrations, and you'll be able to find HubSpot. I already have it activated, but if you look at some of the configurations, you can see that you can determine the pipeline that it's in. So basically what it's looking at, it's a deal that you create in HubSpot will create an order in Katana. And you activate that there, and then you determine the pipeline that you want to use because you might have different pipelines for different types of engagements in HubSpot. And you can also select the stage of the deal, which will then create the order in Katana. And there's some other things here that you can import services and non-inventory items, and import custom line items as products in Katana. So something that's not existing in Katana, you can import that into Katana from HubSpot. And the other thing here is inventory. Do you want to send inventory stock levels from Katana to HubSpot? A caveat to that is the product would have to have been on an order from HubSpot previously for it to show the inventory in HubSpot. Okay, and there's some other data mappings that you can do as far as what fields that you want to map between the two applications. Those are pretty self-explanatory, and you can take a look at those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over to HubSpot, and I'm going to create a deal. So I'm going to create a new deal. And the deal name will be new order for David. You can also put what it's for. Bottles, a retailer that sells bottles, or a manufacturer that sells bottles. The pipeline, the deal stage, and you have an amount here, and you have a close date and deal owner. None of these are not required. But we come down here, you can select the line items that you want. So I have a bottle, and let's say I want to order 2 of those, and I'll add another line item for my product A1, and I'll add 1 of those. Okay, so it gives me my total there, and I'm just going to hit create. First, I want to make sure I have the contact. And the company is not required. And I'm going to hit create. So now I have a deal in HubSpot. Now you would do your normal process within HubSpot, but what I want to do is I want to close this. So let's change the stage to close 1. Okay, so now that I have this updated, I'll hop over to Katana. And you can see the amount is $387.99. And if I come into Katana here, and I'll search for orders made today, and we'll see that the order is right here. If I open this order, you can see this for $387. I'll just open up this order. And this is the order. So I have the 2 pieces of the bottle and the 1 piece of this product A1. It's in stock, so it's ready to be completed in Katana. But I also have this icon here that I can actually go back into open this in HubSpot. So if I click open in HubSpot, it should bring me right to the deal that created it, which is here. And like that other setting that we looked at, if I search for my products, I should be able to see the items and what they have in inventory. So I'm going to click on this bottle. It'll tell me information about this bottle, and it'll also tell me that there's 16 pieces. So that's coming directly from HubSpot. So that's pretty much the integration. It's pretty simple to set up and very helpful. So now you can keep track of your sales activity in HubSpot and generate orders directly in Katana, making it a seamless integration. If you have any questions about either the HubSpot integration or with Katana in general, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to help. Thank you. Have a good day.